everybody, I'm back again. I'm just going to do a short video on what sample I got this week. Okay, the first box I received in the mail was from Sample Source. It says free personalized sample pack has arrived. So I want to go ahead and open this on camera and see what we got. I got a bunch of goodies from Sample Source. First thing I see is, let me pull this back, is the Colgate Arctic White, Extreme White. Says whiten teeth in 3 days. 2 times whitening ingredients. Enamel surf fresh mint. So I got a sample size of that. Then the next thing I see, I got Garnier Fructis Brazilian Smooth in 1.5 times. I think this is the shampoo, the conditioner, and this one is Flat Iron Express. Okay, this one's a Flat Iron Express. I'm going to be definitely using that because it says flat iron. The next sample, I have another 50s. This shampoo, the conditioner, and this one is blow dry. A blow dry serum. So I will be definitely using this one. The next thing I got was pumpkin flax granola. I never eaten granola before. So it says Nature's Path and it's organic. Okay, that's interesting. Let's put that over here. Next thing I got is a sample of Terrene. We'll go ahead and open this. I'm going to do this all on camera. I got 2 sample packets of Terrene. It's Nature's Calorie-Free Sampler. 2 sweeteners and plus a $2 coupon. Then I got Breathe Right Stripped sample. It says 2 free strips and $1 off of Breathe Right. Yep. And I got some coupons, $2 off any pack of 7 Generation Baby Wipes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's $10 worth of coupons for 7 Generation Baby Wipes. Then I received a sample packet of 7 Generation Baby Wipes, free and clear wipes. Cool. Okay, what else did I get? Okay, then I have save $1 off any Colgate Arctic White Express White, 3 ounces of larger manufacturer coupon. Then save $1 off Garnier. And that's the samples that I got for those. So that was my Sample Source sample box. Most of these I will be using, and I definitely would try this flax granola, whatever it is, pumpkin flax granola. I definitely be trying that. So that's what I got again from Sample Source. Alright, until my next box opening, which will be coming up, Pinch Me box. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye bye.